guys, thanks for joining us here at Alpha Investors Club, where today we will be reviewing Keen Platform Cryptocurrency. Keen Platform aims to use blockchain technology to create a new ride sharing platform. Keen is an autonomous ride hailing platform that aims to use blockchain technology to revolutionize ride hailing. Keen aims to differentiate itself from platforms like Uber and Lyft by building in a decentralized environment. The organization is decentralized and autonomous. Nobody controls Keen. Keen takes care of itself. Keen will also be available everywhere, and because it uses blockchain as an intermediary instead of a middleman, Keen will have lower overhead expenses and lower prices. The token sale for Keen tokens began with a pre-sale in January 2018. The main ICO and token generation event are scheduled to take place sometime in Q2 2018. So how does Keen work? Overall, Keen seeks to provide real-time ride hailing. Here's the basic process you'll use to hail a ride. Tap on your preferred ride option to see the estimated arrival time, then enter your drop-off and pickup location. Your ride comes to you and you'll see the vehicle's details and the driver's contact information. Pay your driver in cash or pay using Keen tokens. Hop out and rate your driver. The project is an open source and all source codes will be released to the public under MIT license. Everything built by the Keen project belongs to the community and will be kept open source. Keen distinguishes itself from Uber and other ride sharing platforms in a number of different ways, including a unique driver onboarding process. Onboarding a driver on Keen is significantly different than onboarding a driver with Uber or Lyft. The community onboards new drivers into Keen. Unlike traditional ride sharing services that aim to take on as many drivers as possible, Keen relies on its community to decide which new drivers are worthy of being included in the network and which ones are not. Every new driver will be taken on board provisionally. New drivers can offer two free rides to volunteers. The first volunteer who gets the ride will take a profile picture of the driver using their mobile app at the start of the ride, then provide confirmation at the end of the ride. A second volunteer will take the next ride and will be shown the profile picture of the driver before the start of the ride. Then provide the second confirmation at the end of the ride. And this will confirm the keen driver as a permanent driver. In case any volunteers choose not to confirm a driver, the process will be repeated from the start. Volunteers are chosen based on their stake in the platform, and riders can opt out from taking free onboarding rides through app settings. The Keen platform itself is based on a fork of the Ethereum blockchain. Features of Keen. Keen emphasizes all of the following features. First, unique onboarding. We mentioned the Keen onboarding process above. Platforms like Uber and Lyft have an open onboarding process. Keen forces drivers to jump through some extra hoops, including performing two free verification rides in order to be verified as a Keen driver. Second, proof of loyalty. Keen uses a proof of loyalty algorithm to identify members who have committed the most of Keen's ecosystem based on the number of rides given or received, the number and duration of Keen tokens held in their wallets, the ratings received for rides taken, and for how long they've been a part of the Keen community as a driver or a rider. Third, membership rewards. Members with higher loyalty in the proof of loyalty mechanism will get preferred treatment. Members will receive a reward in the form of Keen tokens, for example, as well as ride selection priority and free rides. Fourth, build your own fleet. As a rider, you can save certain drivers as your favorites, building a fleet of your preferred drivers. By default, Keen chooses the driver who is nearest to a rider's location. However, riders can choose to ride with any of their previous drivers, like a driver who was particularly nice or reliable. Fifth, crypto wallet. Keen's mobile apps will have a built-in wallet for conducting transactions. That wallet can be used to transfer Keen tokens to other members of the ecosystem. Keen tokens are designed to be used as a store of value and a tipping mechanism. 6. Payments. Keen will not accept third-party payment service providers, and that means all payments within the platform are processed through cash or Keen tokens. Drivers can set their rates in a local currency or a Keen token. The ride's fare will be automatically calculated from the start of the trip based on the distance and time traveled, and as a rider, you can choose your preferred payment method before starting your ride. Last, referrals. Users can scan a public key or QR code through the app to confirm a referral, then receive a reward based on the user's contributions to the platform. So, Keen is a ride sharing platform built on blockchain technology as a decentralized organization. It's built on a fork of the Ethereum blockchain, and the goal is to provide a decentralized alternative to ride sharing platforms like Uber and Lyft, complete with the lower fees, better driver verification, and easier payments. And to learn more about Keen and how it works, you can visit online today at keenplatform.com. The token sale is underway throughout Q1 and Q2 2018. So thanks for tuning in and be sure to join our Alpha Investors email list, alphainvestors.club. Stay tuned for our next review.